Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to save Canva design to computer. So basically what you're gonna have to do is to simply open your design, and as you can see here in the top right corner you have home, file, and this drop down menu. So what you're gonna have to do is to simply click on file and then make sure that the save is as you can see all changes are saved. And after that, what you can do, you can easily save to folder. So basically you can save it to your own Canva account folders, or if you want you can simply click on download. And as you can see here you have different file types. So you have a JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SFG, video, and GIF. So the only way to save Canva design is by downloading them in any of these file format. So after you choose your format, as you can see you have different options, but for these you're gonna need to have premium, and then simply click on download, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.